Hello! The purpose of this video is to provide you with an explanation of how this Canvas site works. As you will see, there are 5 different modules. These include a pre-work module and 4 different modules that I am showing you now with my arrow. In these modules, you will learn the content for Spanish 101. First, I would like to point out that you must move sequentially through the modules. That is, the pre-work module is a prerequisite for the Hola, ¿cómo estás module. The Hola, ¿cómo estás module is a prerequisite for the En la Universidad module, etc. You will see that each module is divided into module outcomes, vocabulary, grammar, a conversation exam, and a final exam. Each activity in each module has some sort of requirement, and you cannot move on to the activity without meeting the requirement that comes before it. For example, you cannot move on to the vocabulary list for the En la Universidad module without having marked done the module outcomes. If you scroll down, you will see that you cannot move on from quizzes without having received a certain score. Other activities, however, only need to be submitted so that you can move forward without having to wait for me to grade them. Finally, it's easiest to navigate through the modules by clicking the previous and next buttons. But you may navigate however you choose. Again, materials must be completed sequentially, therefore requiring you to look carefully at all materials. I hope you found this tour of the site helpful.